I just want to show you this. You probably can't see much, but there's looks like military Air Force exercises, formations going on above my head. I noticed this only a few minutes ago. I noticed them going back and forth, going in formation, out of formation, different kind of maneuver. It's kind of cool. You can see the condensation trails left over. I think it's kind of nice and interesting to watch. You can see it better over here. It goes all the way around. You can see he's moving. Came all the way. This is a freshly made condensation trail going this way. You can see it right there. There's one moving around the building. They've been going over our head for a while now. Look at them go kind of fast. You can't hear it, but you can only see it. It's only just, I wish I had better zoom. There's also another one going this way. It looks like they're following each other. That one going this way, around the building. Oh, look at that, he's catching up. There's two right there, going around circles. Kind of cool to watch. That's 3 airplanes I noticed. It looks like they're practicing intercepting each other. Yeah, it looks like that's what they're doing. Looks like he's cutting them off. And there's the other one. Oh, looks like he's going to cut him off around. The moon, nice moon. Clear sky today. I know they've been doing a lot of exercises lately because my friend is in the army, saying that they were doing, he's in Kravi combat unit, and they were doing a lot of exercises recently. So I wouldn't be surprised if the Air Force is also doing exercises.